Hello guys, today we are unboxing Agaro Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. I purchased this from Amazon. I'll give link in the description. Price of this vacuum cleaner comes around 6,000 rupees. If you are looking for budget vacuum cleaner, this is the best option. This vacuum cleaner comes with many accessories for dry and wet cleaning. It also comes with blower function. In this video, I have explained about all these attachments and different functions available. Please check this video until end. Now let us see what we got inside the box.
Extendable tube, absorbing brush, filter, floor brush, dry attachments, hose pipe, user manual and warranty card. Now let me open this. Here is the motor hub with 1600 watt capacity. And inside we have dust bag, and this is 21 liter dust barrel. These are all the items that we got inside the box. This tube can be extended by sliding this black button to required level, and we can push it back again. This tube material is strong and chrome plated. This is a plastic hose pipe with one end connects to suction inlet and other end connects to tube. These are dry and wet attachments. This is absorbing brush, comes with two wiper rubbers and rotating knob. This is crevice tool for tight spots. This is floor brush, comes with long brush on one side and wiper rubber on other side. We have a button on back to hide brush if not required. This also comes with two wheels and rotating knob. This is multi-purpose attachment with brush. This is dust barrel with 21 liters capacity. This comes with 4 wheels. With these 4 wheels, this can be moved very easily. This is suction inlet. Through this, dust gets collected inside the barrel. This is dust bag completely made up of cloth. This bag can be washed and reused. Dust bag goes on top of dust barrel. This is motor hub that comes with protection grill at bottom. It has handle at the top to lift. This is blower outlet. It has 5 meter length power cable with 2-pin plug. This is power switch. For dry suction setup, take dust barrel and place dust bag over it. Motor hub goes on top of this. Make sure to lock on both sides. This is blower outlet and suction inlet. Filter goes on blower outlet and hose pipe goes on suction inlet. Make sure filter and hose pipe on opposite sides, else air blow towards you. Now connect extendable rod and adjust required height. Now attach multi-purpose tool to the tube. With this tube you can suck any general dust, and brush at the bottom helps to remove sticky dust on floor. Here you can observe suction power. With this attachment we can also clean rough mats. Now attach crevice tool. This attachment helps for cleaning dust at corners and edges and other tight spots. Here is the demo video. Now attach floor brush. This brush can be rotated 360 degrees. With this brush we can clean floor mats. Long brush beneath helps to remove dust from the mats effectively. Here are the results. This brush can also be used to clean beds and sofas. Here is the demo video. To use blower function, interchange filters and hose pipe. Hose pipe goes to blower outlet. and filter goes to suction inlet as shown here. Attachment is not required. This function helps in areas where you cannot reach easily to clean. So you can pull out the dust by blowing from other end. This function can also be used in gardens to push away dust to other end. For cleaning, remove hose pipe and take out upper portion. Now shake barrel to clear all the dust. Take out the bag. Now collect all the dust. Both bag and barrel can be washed. Now take out the filter from motor. Wash this with water. Do not clean motor with water. All this shown here can be cleaned with water. Dry parts thoroughly before using again. For wet suction setup, remove the dust bag. Do not use the dust bag. Now lock on both sides. Now attach observing brush to the tube. Here you can see sauce spilled over the floor. This is demo video for wet suction. Here is the collected wastage. I am using this vacuum cleaner from past 3 months. Only problems I faced is it operates with loud sound. Cleaning process is tough as weekly cleaning is must for dry suction and immediate cleaning is must for wet suction. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.